Hi everyone, myself is Preethi. I am working in St.Joseph College for Women at Tirupur. So I taken a subject of Principles of Management. So we know about the simple management, no? So I take a full meaning of about the management. So management is nothing but it's a set of activities. So set of activities means which consider about the planning, organizing, controlling, and also the any decision makings and all. Same like that, it's a director towards an organizing resources. So the resources will be it completing of about the human related activities and also financial related and any informational related like that, with the aim of achieving the organization goal. Its aim of effect and the effective of the manner. So the management will be helping about the somebody's the that persons will be known as the manager. The manager is the utilizing to resources of the organization. It will be a effective manner to the order to will be helping about the achieving the goal of organization. So this is the management principles of management. We have a so next we know about the level of managements. So what are the level of managements in the management? So that is for of so first one, it's having a three types of level of management. Point number one, it's a top level management. So top level management. Point number two, it's in a middle level management. Then three is a lower level of management. So we know about top level management. So top level management is a nothing but it's a large scale industry. Know about that. It's a, for example, it's a stock companies. That companies we had a board of director. So the board of director level is the top level management. So that top level management to be work done as the day-to-day activities to managing the directors or general managers. The managers they have called about the chief executives. It's a main responsible for carrying the policies and all. Then also the top level management is the placing making about body of responsible to overall direction and also the success of activities of our company. So that is the working of top level management. It's having a some point of them. So the point of them is we have about the some important things of top level management. So having point number one, determining of objective. So determining of objective means we know about objective, it's determining that. Then also the developing of major resources. So the company related activities they have to developing. And also the third one is coordination and controlling. The coordination for the important to each simple management also. The top level management they have to be consider about the coordination and also the controlling of the employees or somebody they are working the people's know that the main important thing of coordination and also the controlling of top level management. So next, middle level management. So what is meaning of middle level? It's an consideration with the execution to the plans or policies. It will be a top level management. So top level management to giving us the anything as a policy or planning like that. We have to do like that அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு planning we have to do about the middle level management. The middle level management also having a head of the brain of enterprises. So the middle level management is executing the plan to experienced difficulties to involve with it. So this is the middle level management. Same like that, top level management having some functions about that. Same like that, the middle level management also. So functions of middle level management. So functions means they have the interpreted of the planning interpreted of the policies of the company. That also middle level management having a prepare the organizational set of the departments. So that is the main important thing of middle level management. And also they having a personal and higher productivity of the middle level management. Then so someone is having someone is this is important about this. When the top level management is giving the plans, it having the secured performance. Any plans we have to secured and also the securities and so. So same like that, it's the main functions about the middle level management. So we know two level of management. We have to move about third level. So third level is the lower level of management. The lower level of management is the sub-oriented development of head or foremen or office superintendent and supervisor, etc. like that. The person having a lower level of management is the direct contact with the workers. Direct contact with the workers. Then also the caring about the per schedules, day by day activities, having a schedule, no. So like that, the management level is otherwise known as the operating management level. So these management also having a some important functions of lower level management. So lower level management having a main important point number one, it's a maintaining and standard qualities of the product. So second one is the don't wastaging the materials or time, employees or working timing, so like that. Next, and also the it having a moral workers of others, moral of workers, like that. So this is the level of three level of management. Next we have to go about qualities and characteristics of good managers. So point number one, personal characteristics. So personal characters is having a each person's having a some characteristics of personal level. So like that, the good manager also having a first quality about the good manager is the personal character. So what is mean by the personal character? So we have to self motivation is the main important of personal character. Then also integrity is, and also confidence, flexibility. So flexibility we know about the flexibility for each working as. So this is the first characteristics of personal characteristics of good manager. So next we have second one is business characteristics. So what is the business characteristics? Personal characteristics is the main important for single person also, like that business characteristics also. So where we are working, we know about the business. So that is the business characters. For example, I working in a industry some likes. So we have in working in a copper industry. We know about the copper. Same like that. We working in a export industry. So we know about the logistics, like that. So this is the industry level. Next point number two, the organization. So organization we know about the structure of the planning, organizing, like that. So is the basic money management we know it. It's a main characteristics of business characteristics. Now one of this basic money management. So these are all the business character. Next we have to move about third one is communication quality. So what is mean by communication quality? Communication means they have to communicate with others. This is the communication quality. It having the written communication also. We know about the speaking communication. So where you are working, the people know about the language, have to know about our language of the manager. So this is the main important of speaking character. Then also specifications. where we are working the industry knowledge is also having, and also specification of this. For example, I am working in a copper company or export companies. So export companies we are working means we know about the logistics also. So main important things of export. So we have to move about third one, fourth one. For fourth one is relationship quality. So relationship is the good manner of a single person also. So single persons are having a relationship for for the purpose of we know about the others feelings. So that is the same like that customer service, and also the mediator, the team player also to given to the respect of other person, and collaboration of the workers, and also value of others. We know about the value of others. So this is four characteristics of good manager. So we have to move next slide. It's a management process. So what is the meaning of management process? Already we know about the management processing. So it's a main important things of managing the management process. So first one is the planning. So the management having a some plannings about our company. So like that the management is the main important about the planning. We have to do some management process means it's a main we have to start about the management of planning. So the planning about the dynamic processing of elements and activities. The management to involve the actions of operations, they have to sequence achieving to organizational goal and objective. It's a main helping to about the planning. Next we have to go to organizing. Organizing is nothing but we have to organizing the person or labor or technology, and also the materials they having the materials like that, etc. This is the organization. So we have to move about third one. Third one is the staffing. So what is mean by staffing? So staffing is the activities of where the people are recruited or selected or trained or developed, and also the motivated. The manager varies of having the positions, and also it involves movement of the individual into organization to movement of peoples. So this is a staffing about the company. So we have to move direction. So direction is nothing but it's having a functions of guiding or supervising activities for somebody's. It involves the followings of lending, and also influencing, and also motivating, and communicating. So this is of our managing process of direction. Then controlling. So controlling about not only for a management, it also working about the employees also. So controlling is nothing but it is the process of influencing actions about the person or group of the objective. It's having also four activities of controlling. Point number one, setting the standard of performance. We have to set the performance like that. This is the setting standard. Then also measuring actual performance. We know about the actual performance and also the actual reasonings and all. So third one is planning performer standard. So we have to standard means that having before planning about. Then fourth one is the activities about the management. So these are all the controlling of the management. Then we know then we have to move qualities and characteristics of good manager.